Do you want to know?
Hi everyone, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make kicking coils using expression attachment. And if you want to know that, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm using half expression attachment as you can see here, and I'll go ahead to measure it in 3 parts and then cut. So the next thing I'll do is to feather the attachment. You have to feather the attachment to get a very nice tip. So guys, the first thing is to cross the attachment on the skewer and then roll and twist a little bit, then use a bobby pin, because I used bobby pin, or you can use rubber band, those small one, to hold the beginning tip so they are reversed. Then you continue with the rolling and twist. You roll and twist, you roll and twist until the attachment get to the ends of the skewer. You can use skewer, you can use a straw, you can use choppy stick, depending on the one that is available. So you trim it to make it look neat. Everyone you do, you trim it so that it don't end up having a rough coils. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So guys, I'll just repeat the same step with all the attachments until everything is all done, and then I'll put it inside hot water. One thing you should notice is that I will advise you use skewer or choppy stick, because this one is very easy to use than the straw, because when you put it inside water it will just melt. I will show you when we get to the part where I will put it in the water. So guys, here is the final result after everything is done. You can see it on the skewer. It's so beautiful. So guys, these are the one I do with the straws, and the result is not that bad, but I don't like it. Here is my hot water that I need. I will add conditioner to it. Yes, this is the conditioner I have at home, so that is what I will use. You can use oil, you can add olive oil or any other oil at home, because you don't want the attachment to stick together. Just mix it well so that everything get dissolved. So now that the hot water is ready, the next thing is to add the attachment and leave it for some few minutes. Don't let it to be too long, and make sure the attachment enter the water very well so that every part will be well coiled before removing it from the hot water. Leave it for at least 5 minutes is okay. So after removing it for hot water, I let it to sit for overnight before removing all the skewer. So you can see the results, and you can see that of the skewer, they are very much intact, but the one of the straw is not really good. You can see the way the hot water melts the straw. So I don't advise the one of the straw, but you can use the one of the skewer, like I said earlier, or chopping stick. So guys, here's the final result. Kiki coil is ready. So guys, it's very easy to do. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.